Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 6 Ace with Esther course book chapter 5 Mullah Nasreddin and the Nail. A part, answer these questions. Question number 1, who was Mullah Nasreddin? Why was he considered mysterious? Answer, Mullah Nasreddin was a local priest. He was considered mysterious because his ways were unconventional. Question number 2, why was Mullah Nasreddin forced to sell his ancestral house? Answer, Mullah Nasreddin sold his ancestral house because he was under extreme poverty and debt. Question number 3, who wanted to buy the house? How did he get it from the mullah? Answer, Mullah Nasreddin neighbor wanted to buy this house. He paid half the price and buy the house. Question number 4. What clause did Nasreddin add to the contract? Answer, the clause he added to the contract was that he will own the ownership of the nail. Question number 5. Why was the neighbor's wife angry with him? Answer, she was angry because Mullah Nasreddin used to frequently visit the house and keep hanging the things. Question number 6. Why did the neighbors call for a meeting with the council of elders? What ruling did they give? Answer, the neighbors and his wife were annoyed by Mullah's behavior. The wise man said that Mullah Nasreddin was correct and hence dismissed the case. Question number 7. How did Mullah Nasreddin get his house back? Answer, Mullah got his house back by adding a clause and playing trick and using his presence of mind. Now let's move to B section. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Number 1. My father never had the chance to finish the hammering it in. A part. What is being referred to here by the speaker? Answer, nail. B part. Why is the speaker's father not able to complete the job? Answer, the speaker's father not able to complete the job because he wanted the ownership of the nail. C part. Why does the speaker mention it now? Answer, the speaker mentioned it now because he wanted the ownership of the nail. Now, second part. This is going too far. We cannot have that. A part. Who says this and to whom? Answer, neighbor said to Mullah Nasreddin. B part. What has the listener done? Answer, he hung a sack full of cow dung. C part. Does the listener stop what he is doing and why? Answer, no, the listener didn't stop because he owned the ownership of the nail. Now think and answer. Question number 1. What do you think of the neighbor and his wife? Did they deserve what they got? Give reasons. Answer, the neighbor and his wife were both crooked and tried to take advantage of the mullah's bad days. They deserved what they got. They underestimated the significance of the nail, which symbolizes the importance of understanding all aspects of an agreement before committing to it. Mullah Nasreddin exploited a minor detail to cause significant distress to the couple, which might seem unfair. Question number 2. Is Mullah Nasreddin the hero of the story or the villain? Is playing tricks on people a good way to get what you want? Explain with real life examples how trick to deceive people can be a bad thing. Answer, in the story Mullah Nasreddin and the nail, Mullah Nasreddin tricks a buyer by keeping ownership of a nail in the house he sold. He then uses the nail as an excuse to keep visiting the house, eventually forcing the buyer to sell the house back to him. Mullah Nasreddin can be seen as both a hero and a villain. He is clever and gets what he wants, but he uses deception, which isn't fair. In real life, tricking people can lead to serious problems. For example, if someone lies to get a job, they might get caught and the job, damaging their reputation. Deception often leads to loss of trust, broken relationships, and sometimes even legal trouble. Thank you. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you.